Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are good bachcho. So today we are going to start a new chapter, new topic which name is phrasal verbs. So let's get started bachcho. A phrasal verb is a combination of two or more words used to convey a specific meaning of its own. Then बच्चों phrasal verb एक combination है दो या दो से ज़्यादा शब्दों का जो है convey करते हैं एक specific meaning of its own. Then read the following sentences बच्चों. Look up this word in a dictionary. Miss check करना. He was run over by a speeding truck, means crushed, killed. She gets along well with her mother-in-law, maintains a good relation. I came across my childhood friend in the hospital waiting for his turn. Miss इसका मतलब क्या है बच्चों? Met accidentally. The word groups in colored are called phrasal verb बच्चों. यहाँ पर जो कलर्स में दिए गए हैं जिसमें आप पढ़ पा रहे हो look up, run over, gets along, come across, ये सभी के सभी phrasal verb कहलाते हैं students. A phrasal verb begins with a verb followed by an adverb or prepositions or both. These adverbs and preposition added to the verb to the form of phrasal verbs are called participles. Then बच्चों यहाँ पे particles बोलते हैं इनको phrasal के रूप में, verbs के रूप में, prepositions के रूप में काम करती हैं ये. Below are some elementary phrasal verbs and their meanings come in that to the memory. तो इनको पढ़ लेते हैं और आपको याद भी करने हैं सभी के सभी बच्चों. How are the children getting on at school? Means progressing के लिए बात हो रही है बच्चों. He got back from Delhi last night, returned. I found out that he was cheating. All of us discovered the truth. Please fill in your name and addresses. Means complete a form की बात की जा रही है. Tom and Jerry have fallen out again, quarreled. It's nice to eat out for a change. Ate in restaurant. While in Delhi, I dropped in on an old friend, visited casually. The factory closed down last year, means closed permanently की बात की जा रही है बच्चों. He comes from Shimla, means belongs to. Do you want to carry on learning French? Means continue की बात की जा रही है. They have called off the strikes, means cancelled. Children are brought up loving by their parents, means educated and cared for की बात की जा रही है. My bike broke down on the highway, stopped functioning. The meeting has been put off until next week, means delayed or postponed. If you lend me some money, I'll pay back tomorrow, return a debt. It's time to pack up and go home. Stop doing something. You can look it up in the dictionary में search करने की बात की जा रही है बच्चों. I'm really looking forward to my holidays, expecting with pleasures. They are looking for a good typist, means searching कर रहे हैं वो. What are you looking at? Means watching carefully. Who is looking after the children? Means taking care of. I am going to lie in all this morning, stay in bed. They laughed at her when she said she had been seen a ghost, mocked at. You should try to keep up your grand performance, maintain. Can you hold on a moment please? Wait on the phone. Girls grow up more quickly than boys, means mature. I think the milk has gone off, means become bad. I know it's difficult, but you shouldn't give up. Stop trying. I got up at 7 this morning, rose from bed. I had an operation, but I am getting over it now, recovering from. Then बच्चों write down the addresses before you forget it, note down on paper. He worked out the problem in a few minutes, solved. These shoes have worn out very quickly, become old and unstable. What time did you wake up? Wake from sleep की बात की जा रही है. I can't hear the radio, please turn it up a little, means make louder. This factory turns out 1000 bikes every day, means produce करना. Please turn the television on, switch on. Please turn the tap off, stop the flow. His request has been turned down, rejected. Try on the shoes before you buy them, wear to see how they fit. You should think over the whole issue once again, consider carefully. You should have thought of it earlier, paid attention to. What are you thinking about considering? I hope I am not putting you off, means disturbing. She is putting on her new that wearing. I can't put up with this insult, means tolerate करना. Can you ring up back please? Telephone again. We have run out of sugar, used all and finished. I am saving up for my holidays, putting money aside. We went to see him off at the airport to say goodbye. What time shall we set off? Means start a journey. She is always showing off her riches, means boasting off. Manu takes after his father, resembles. What time did the plane take off, left the grounds and begin to fly की बात की जा रही है. He took off his clothes and jumped into the river. Removed की बात की जा रही है बच्चों. तो यहाँ पर पढ़े बच्चों हमने किस तरह से एक सेंटेंस को हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैसे मीनिंग के बेस पर समझ सकते हैं. तो आप भी यहाँ पर बच्चों पढ़ेंगे और रीराइट करने के लिए सेंटेंस भी दिए गए हैं, कुछ वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दिए गए हैं एक्सरसाइज के अंदर, तो उनको भी साथ में कंप्लीट करते रहेंगे.